Okay, so we've got a basic page set up here on Canvas, and you can see I've got a link to my tutorials page and a link to my podcast page. I also want a new page called Resources. So what I need to do to create that page is go Edit, highlight the word Resources, and then here on the sidebar where it says Pages, drop that down. I'll have to go right to the bottom of the list and click Add Link to New Page. If you've already got an existing page that it can link to, then just select that one. But I want to create a new page, so Add Link to New Page. Give it a name. As I've said, it's going to be called Resources. And then I can just click Insert Link. Oh, it'd help if I spelt it correctly. And then I can just click here, Insert Link. And what that does is, you can see, it highlighted it. And now I've got a link to that page. If I click Save, I click on Resources, I've got a new page